Meaning of inconspicuously.
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 Inconspicuously. The term inconspicuously refers to doing something in a way that is not easily noticeable or doesn't draw attention to oneself or something. For example, if someone wants to blend in with a crowd, they might dress inconspicuously so they don't stand out. Inconspicuous behavior can be useful for avoiding attracting unwanted attention or for observing things without being noticed. Overall, acting inconspicuously helps individuals maintain a low profile and can be an effective strategy for achieving certain goals while avoiding unwanted scrutiny from others.